Here's a fun idea. Let's climb in a 1980s Jeep, bounce through the California desert, and drive straight into one of the most dangerous fault lines in North America. Sounds fun, doesn't it? Let's go.
All right, we are here doing the Red Jeep Tour. Gary is going to be our guide today. Gary, what are we doing today?
Oh, we are going to go exploring.
Are we going to see the San Andreas Fault?
Well, you're not going to see into it because it's full of all this, what we call fault gouge.
What's fault gouge, Gary?
That all the rock in between the plates is pulverized into the consistency of flour.
Let's go. Gary just told us what we're doing today. What are your thoughts?
I'm really excited to see this 3,000-year-old Indian village. I don't think I've ever seen anything that's 3,000 years old, to be honest. So,
really?
yeah.
I thought you were 3,000 years old.
Excuse me?
Just saying.
What are you excited for, Andrew?
I'm excited to see the San Andreas Fault gouge.
You've always loved a fault.
Oh my God, I love a good fault.
Yeah, you love to find faults.
Okay.
That was good. Come on.
Yeah, that was pretty
All right, let's go ride.
My eyes are running. Before we knew it, we were off to find the San Andreas Fault. And guess what? We were already looking at it. Spoiler alert, it just looks like desert. There are no huge cracks to fall through or anything. Womp womp. After a while, we had a very Jurassic Park moment while Gary opened some gates, jumped out of the Jeep, and started handing us dirt clods.
Get the video.
What is this, Sam?
Actually, this is
fault gouge.
Fault gouge.
Fault gouge. What does it feel like?
It feels like dirt.
Okay.
It feels like fine
little sandy
dirt. Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels incredible. Next up, we take a short hike to an actual palm oasis, the kind you'd expect to see in like a cartoon where someone's crawling toward a desert hallucinating a pina colada.
We're hiking now to an oasis.
What way?
I didn't realize we'd be doing physical, but I love it.
You didn't realize we'd be doing physical.
We'd be in an oasis.
Yes.
This is my first time in an oasis, personally.
Wow.
You been in one before?
Let's, hey Sam, you think there's a bar up there?
Oh, classic. classic. Let's go find out. Gary explained that the heart of a palm is edible, which is why the tree protects us with tiny barbs like nature's own security system. Nearby, a stream bubbled up from Coachella's underground aquifer, and then we were off. And I was hoping the next stop might have something stronger than water. Now, wait, that looks like a bar.
This must be the wedding setup.
Ah. So no, it wasn't a bar, but it was a recreated Cahuilla Village, complete with dwellings and plenty of information to read, so we decided to walk around and explore a little bit.
We are here at the Cahuilla Native American Village.
We are here, and it is... Look at this. Actually, I just looked inside here.
I know,
I've got all the
like
little mortar and pestles and
Yeah.
pottery and baskets, and this is the original place. This is where it was. They've kind of recreated it.
Yes, 3,000 years ago.
Yes, but they said that they made them slightly taller than normal because people have grown in height. So
And they're round because the Cahuillas
did not like
didn't
corners.
like corners because there's evil spirits.
And I
if
get
it's
it.
round.
I don't like a scary dark corner either, so they were ahead of the curve.
We also learned that they had a VIP section.
They literally had a VIP section. I wanted to learn more about that, like who exactly got to be in the VIP section.
Yeah,
but we didn't
it was
get
the
that far.
net. They didn't call the head of the tribe a chief.
Yes, because they didn't like warring. So
Yes, so he was the net.
yes, so the net had a VIP section.
So the net ruled this whole place.
We're gonna try to get in the net's VIP section.
Yeah, I think
I'm not
that-
leaving here until I get
No,
in that
I want to go in
VIP
this.
section.
I want to go in there.
Okay, we'll
Let's
go.
go in.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going inside one of the huts here. Sam, look at this.
You sure we're allowed in here?
Yeah, I think there's a sign in
Okay,
here.
all right. Oh yeah, okay, good.
Yeah,
This
we're
makes me feel better.
fine.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this.
We're in a hut.
We're in a hut.
And there's no corners, which I like.
No corners.
Gotta say, I like
Yep.
it. And you know, we're always looking for ways to make these videos more interesting, so Andrew thought he'd have me shoot this little pantomime moment of him pretending to be cold, because this is where you would light a fire. Wow. Next, we entered the main gathering house to learn more about the people who lived on this land long before Jeeps were even a thing, and definitely before Gary was out handing dirt clods. Inside the meeting house, Gary gave us some history, and we checked out some of this intricate basket work. And we even saw some ancient tools or weapons that looked very cool, very sharp, and very just do not touch. I also spotted a small crystal clear pool just outside. How quaint. Then we were back in the Jeep heading deeper into the desert. The trails got rougher, the views got wilder, and at one point, Andrew even casually reached out and touched a rock wall like I was going to start whispering secrets to him. We finally hopped out to hike into the Slot Canyon, which is a narrow crack in the earth carved by water and time just wide enough for humans.
Okay, we're hiking through this cavern.
Yes.
That was carved out via floodwaters over millions of years.
Mm-hmm.
And we're like hikers now.
Yeah, we're canyon boys.
We're canyon boys.
Our treat for all this hiking? Oh, the Hanging Rock of Death.
Hanging Rock
Of death.
of Death.
Maybe we don't need to be
We
there.
love it.
We love the Hanging Rock of
One of the
Death.
best rocks we've seen.
On the way to our final lookout, Granny Gulch, we passed some old mining equipment and what we think was an old abandoned village. Anyway, the scenery was spectacular. I mean, look at these freaking rocks.
And here's Andrew at the top of Granny Gulch, serving up another pantomime moment. Meanwhile, I was busy filming, trying to capture the perfect shot for y'all of the landscape. This is the San Andreas Fault. It really doesn't look like much, but hey, it's all about the journey, not the fault. So finally, we found the fault lines Andrew had been hunting for, and thankfully, they had nothing to do with me. So that was 3 hours, 1 historic fault line, 0 earthquakes.
Well, that's a wrap from
That's a wrap.
our Red Jeep tour.
We're at the top of Granny Gulch.
We're at the top of Granny Gulch, which, as you can see, there's the Coachella Valley.
We don't know why it's named Granny Gulch. No one
clue.
knows.
No
Someone
clue.
just randomly named it that, but that's fine.
Yes. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.
Like and subscribe.
Please.
And that's it.
That's it.
I've got to get back.